Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand how does the integration of the Workstatus and the ClickUp works. For that, you have to come up to the integration from the settings and click on ClickUp. A screen like this loaded up where you can give the ClickUp client ID, the secret key and the redirection URL. Just click on next. Here, the projects that are available in the ClickUp account are listed here, and the project that you want to link up all these ClickUp projects with in the Workstatus can be mentioned and be selected from this drop down. Once this is done, you can click on import and have the status checked as completed. Once this is done, the last sync time of the syncing of the both of the ClickUp and the Workstatus displays here along with the date. And you can even refresh it. You can even click on the refresh to see the data which is updated. This is how the project and the task description, comments and the IDs and the titles are imported from the ClickUp to the respective projects inside the Workstatus. Thank you.